Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In web development and user interface design, the concept of click between frames can refer to interacting with elements that are displayed within frames or iframes on a web page. This can be a bit tricky due to cross-origin policies and how browsers handle frames. Understanding frames and iframes. 1. Frames. These are HTML elements that allow you to split the browser window into multiple sections, each of which can display a different HTML document. However, frames are largely considered outdated and are not commonly used in modern web development. 2. Iframes. An iframe, inline frame, is an HTML element that allows you to embed another HTML page within your current page. Iframes are commonly used for embedding content such as videos, maps, and other web pages. Cross-origin policy. One important aspect to consider is the same origin policy enforced by web browsers. This policy prevents JavaScript running in one origin, domain, from accessing the properties of documents from another origin. If you are trying to click an element inside an iframe that points to a different domain, you will run into security restrictions. How to work with click events in iframes. If you are working with iframes and the content is from the same origin, you can easily access and manipulate elements inside the iframe. Here's how you can do that. Example: click between frames with JavaScript. 1. HTML structure. Create a parent HTML page and an iframe that contains a button. Explanation of the code. 1. Parent frame. The parent.html file contains a button that, when clicked, will simulate a click on a button inside the iframe. 2. Iframe. The iframe.html file contains a button that will show an alert when clicked. 3. JavaScript. In parent.html, when the parent button is clicked, it accesses the iframe using document.getElementById, myIframe. It then accesses the button inside the iframe with content window.document.getElementById, iframe button. Finally, it programmatically clicks the button inside the iframe. Important considerations. Same origin policy. This example will work because both the parent and iframe are assumed to be served from the same origin. If they are from different origins, you cannot access the iframe's DOM due to security restrictions. Browser support. Ensure that the browsers you are targeting support iframes and the methods you are using. Most modern browsers do, but always check compatibility if you are using advanced features. Conclusion. Clicking between frames, or iframes, works seamlessly when both documents are from the same origin. You can manipulate DOM elements within an iframe and trigger events programmatically using JavaScript. Always be mindful of cross-origin policies that might restrict this capability when dealing with external content.